About this item package included, all is included in the first picture. Material, silver copper. Rated currents, amps 128. Rated voltage rating, 600V. Contact barrel wire size AWG, 2/4/6 AWG, 13.3 mm superscript 2, 21.1/33.6 mm superscript 2. Medium contact resistance, micro ohm 140. Isolation resistant to test voltage, AC/DC volts 2200V. Contact retention force, lbf 100 lbf. No load, contact/disconnect cycles at 10,000. Under load, hot plug 250 cycles at 120V. Minimum insertion force, pounds 20 lbf. Operating temperature degree C, -20 degrees to 105 degrees. Flammability class of the housing material, UL 94V0. Good material, the product is made from good materials, the continuity is perfect, the resistance to bad environment. Auto erasure makes the surface of the push needle clean, the low contact resistance is reliable. The connector can be used in a strong shock environment and with the fast action function in a large electric current. Stainless steel shrapnel can ensure constant contact stress and overcomes intermittent overload in case of frequent splicing and interruption. Easy to use, regardless of the plug or plug, inserting into the same color is a pair, easy and quick to splice and interrupt. See more product details in the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item package included, all is included in the first picture. Material, silver copper. Rated currents, amps 128. Rated voltage rating, 600V. Contact barrel wire size AWG, 2/4/6 AWG, 13.3 mm superscript